The Asian unicorn, Saola, a mysterious creature hidden in the deep woods. We have all heard stories about the mythical unicorn, the legendary one-horned horse. But did you know that a real unicorn exists in the wildlife world? However, instead of one, it sports two horns on its head. We are talking about the Saola. Due to its extreme rarity and mysterious nature, it is widely known as the Asian unicorn. Discovered for the first time in 1992 in the deep forests of Vietnam, it stands as one of the most significant large mammal discoveries of the 20th century. Let's dive into the details of this elusive creature's lifestyle. What does the Saola look like? At first glance, a Saola might resemble a deer or an antelope. Interestingly, DNA testing has revealed that they are genetically closer to wild cattle and buffaloes. The horns. They have two long, straight and parallel horns on their heads that can grow up to 20 inches in length. Both male and female Saolas possess these horns. Appearance and coat. Their entire body is covered in a sleek, dark brown or chocolate-colored coat. Their most striking feature, however, is the distinct white markings and spots on their faces, giving them a unique look. Size and weight. They stand about 3 feet tall at the shoulder and typically weigh between 80 to 100 kilograms. What do they do? All day, the Saola is an extremely shy and solitary animal. They inhabit the dense, remote rainforests of the Annamite Range, which sits between Vietnam and Laos. They are so adept at avoiding human presence that scientists have rarely seen them alive in the wild, despite years of effort. Most of what we know about them comes from a handful of photographs captured by automated trail cameras set up in the jungle. What is their favorite food? Saolas are strictly herbivorous. They prefer feeding on broadleaf leaves, small shrubs, and the tender twigs of fig trees that grow in the damp, wet regions of the forest. The green vegetation found along riverbanks and mountain valleys makes up their primary diet. How harmful are they to humans? You might wonder if running into a large, horned animal in the middle of a forest could be dangerous. The absolute truth: the Saola is not harmful or dangerous to humans at all. They are not aggressive or ferocious predators. Instead, they are incredibly gentle and quiet. If they sense or smell a human nearby, far from attacking, they will immediately run away and hide in fear. The reality is that while Saolas pose no threat to humans, humans have become the biggest threat to their survival. Wire snares set by poachers for other animals, illegal hunting, and deforestation for human settlement have pushed this beautiful creature to the very brink of extinction. Wildlife experts estimate that only a handful of Saolas are left alive on Earth today.